How to set up a gesture recognition sensor with Arduino. In this video, I will use the RAK14008 gesture recognition sensor. Attach the RAK14008 onto the WisBlock base product core. Connect by USB and open Arduino. Open your browser and go onto docs.RAKwireless.com. Search for 14008. Select Quick Start Guide. Scroll down to Sample Code and copy. Go back to Arduino and Control Paste. Then go to File and select Save. Go to Library Manager and install reveng PAJ7620 library. Select the WisBlock core RAK4631 board. The RAK14008 is also compatible with the ESP32 and RP2040 boards from the WisCore family. Go to Tools, Port, COM17, then Upload. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor to view logs. The RAK14008 is now communicating with the WisBlock core. For more information, please visit the link down below.